To Maharashtra, and we're talking about the controversial trainee IAS, Pooja Khedkar, who has been transferred from Pune. She has been transferred to Washim. The transfer has come about after viral images of the officer's private car. The Khedkar used a beacon on her private Audi car, and VIP number plates were also used on that private vehicle. So this is that action that's come about following a letter from the police collector to the chief secretary for using that beacon and for using also the number plates that have been used on her private vehicle. So we have Paras joining us. Paras, take us through details of this case, claims that have been made by Pooja Khedkar in the past. I mean, we're talking about her saying that, she is visually and mentally impaired in an affidavit that was submitted by her. But, something that hasn't been proved so far.
Right, so Pooja Khedkar is an IPS officer of batch year 2023. She was a trainee IAS officer in Pune. She was training over here, and in between she used a private number plate siren on her private car. So after knowing all about this situation which was happening and which was done by IAS officer Pooja Khedkar, the Pune collector wrote a letter to chief secretary, and after that the step was taken and she was transferred to Washim. After now, the situation is that there are many things which are coming into light, as she filed a affidavit that she is visually not that much capable, and she is also mentally ill. So after that, she had given the exam of IAS, and after giving exams of IAS, she scored rank 821 all over India. But this was with the help of that affidavit which she has filed. So there are many things which have came into light, but the major thing is that why she has done that. Also there were some certain situation where she had messaged the collector of Pune asking for a private car, private house. So there are many situations and many things which has came into light in this entire matter. Right now, Pooja Khedkar has been transferred to Washim, and more investigation has been done by the collector itself in this entire matter.
Right, Paras, so, demands that are being made by her, something which is unheard of. She also took over the office of someone else in fact. When we're talking about the kind of demands that she's made, which also includes an official car, a VIP number plate, an accommodation, as well as a chamber and adequate staff that included a constable as well.
Right, she also took over the chamber of the deputy collector when she was training. So she is a training officer, training IAS officer, and she could not be given this type of things because she is a training officer. But she took over the cabin of the deputy collector of Pune, and that's why there were many steps which was taken on her. The collector of Pune shot a letter to chief secretary, and chief secretary has now taken a step, and she has been transferred to Washim. But there are more to this whole incident and what is happening in Pune right now. So more investigation will be done by chief secretary and by the collector of Pune, because this is a very difficult thing, because IAS officer which is training right now can't be given this types of situation, this types of thing, private car, private house, because she is a training officer. So there will be many things which will come out soon in this entire matter.